In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete HubSpot email signature. First, you need to sign in to HubSpot. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the HubSpot login page. You will see fields for your email and password. Enter your login credentials carefully. If you have forgotten your password, there are options to reset it. Signing in is crucial because it gives you access to all your settings and preferences. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your HubSpot dashboard where you can manage your emails, contacts, and other important features. Next, look for the settings icon, which resembles a gear. This icon is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon will direct you to the settings menu. The settings menu is where you can customize various features of your HubSpot account. It is essential to navigate here to make any adjustments, including those related to your email signature. When you click the settings icon, a new sidebar will appear on the left side of your screen, providing a list of options to configure your account. From there, in the left menu, you will go to General and then select Email. This step is important because it takes you to the specific section where you can manage your email settings, including your signature. In the General settings, you will see several options related to your account. Look for the Email section, which should be clearly labeled. Once you are in this section, you will be able to view and edit your email signature. This allows for a streamlined approach to personalizing your email communication. Now scroll to the email signature section. This part of the settings is where you can see your current email signature displayed. It typically includes your name, title, and any other information you may have added. Taking the time to review this section is crucial as it ensures that your email communications reflect the most up-to-date information. If you see any outdated or unnecessary information, this is the right place to make those changes. Next up, delete the signature text. Highlight the text within the email signature section and press the delete key on your keyboard. You might want to double-check that you are removing the correct signature. This step is important because it ensures that any unwanted information is removed from your communications. Once you delete the text, you will see that the section updates immediately, reflecting the changes you have made. After that, click Save. This button is usually located at the bottom of the settings page. Clicking Save is a critical step because it confirms that all your changes are stored securely in the system. You will often see a confirmation message or a brief notification confirming that your changes have been saved successfully. This provides reassurance that your email signature has been updated as intended. By following these steps, you have successfully deleted your HubSpot email signature. Remember, keeping your email signature updated is essential for maintaining a professional appearance in your communications. It helps to ensure that your contacts have the correct information about you and your role. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.